Hey everyone, it's Kitty Cat Moon here, and today I'm going to be doing Good Looks for Arctic Wolves Part 4. So, let's get started, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope you'll use the looks, because, yeah, who doesn't want to use these looks? They're really good. Okay, be right back. Okay, so, this is the first look, and for this look I'm using a rare star cape, blue elf bracelets, golden spiked collar, and rare gazelle horns. The colors are this blue for this fur, and this blue for this fur. For the eyes, I'm using the darkest brown right here, and I'm using this yellow for the pattern, and the pattern is lightning. Okay, so I'll be right back with the second look. Okay, so this is the second look, and this is more of a girly look. I don't suggest this for tomboys. So I'm using a pink royal tiara, pink elf bracelets, a pink designer skirt, oops, okay, and a pink Jamalite scarf. Like I said, I don't suggest this for tomboys at all. Okay, the colors are this really light pink right here, this pink, this pink for the eyes, and this pink for the pattern, the same pink for the eyes. Okay, so I'll be back with the third look. Okay, so this is the third look, and for this look I am using a rare keytar, rare cozy shoes, a golden unicorn horn, and the golden spike collar again. The colors are this orange, this yellow, and this blue. Okay, so I'll be right back with the fourth look. Okay, so, ouch, that hurt. Sorry, guys. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, for this look, I'm using rare winged shoes, a rare pilgrim hat, and a rare longbow. For the colors, I'm using this green, this purple, this orange, and no pattern. Okay. But yeah, if there's a blank pattern, and I'm using this blue. Okay, guys. So if you want this look to be good, you must have no pattern and this color blue. I don't know. That's just how the look works. Okay, guys. So this time we're doing a fifth look. I'll be right back with the fifth look. Alright, so this is the fifth look, and for this look I'm using a snowflake tiara, a leaf necklace, no rare, a lot of the times I use rare things, but this time it's just a leaf necklace. Okay, a rare snowflake cape, and purple elf bracelets. The colors I'm using, this blue, this purple, and the same purple. Okay, so I guess that's all the looks for today. I'm sorry for the random distraction of me getting hurt. I mean, I hit like almost my funny bone. Guys, trust me, it wasn't my funny bone. I hate when you hit your funny bone on things. Oh my god. so annoying and it hurts. Okay, so that's all the looks. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!